Hi, everyone. I wanted to give you an update on a couple of things that we have going on for educators who drone. The first thing is my media and education company, Electric Monarch, we are offering aviation and drones and STEM education grant writing services. This is something that I think that a lot of schools, nonprofits, etc., can take advantage of to help find some funding opportunities for your drone program. So you can go to flyelectricmonarch.com/grants, and it will bring you to this page where you can submit an RFQ, request for quote, for the grant writing services. So this is important to note that you should have a grant, you should have an idea of a grant that you want to apply for, and if you want some help writing that grant, that's where we come in. So if you don't have grant writing service for your school or for your nonprofit, this is where we can come in and help. So it's important to note that you want to make sure that you have the grant picked out, the one that you want to apply for, and that we can just help you put it all together, help you get it into the right wording and the right organization of what these sponsorship opportunities, grant opportunities, what they're looking for. Okay. So if you go to flyelectricmonitor.com/grants, that's going to give you an explanation of what it is that we have to offer.